When raindrops begin to fall, ants display remarkable teamwork to survive the downpour. Instead of hiding, these brave insects create living rafts by linking their bodies together, allowing them to float until the rain subsides. This incredible adaptation helps them traverse flooded areas and protect their queen and brood. Scientists have observed that this behavior not only showcases their strength in numbers, but also their communication skills, as ants signal to each other when to grab on. This fascinating survival strategy highlights the resilience and ingenuity of these small yet powerful creatures, truly earning them the title of nature's little engineers.